In this session, you will be learning of Windows Server Update Services, which is an integral part of Windows Server. What is Windows Server Update Services? It is a computer program developed by Microsoft. It is previously known as Software Update Services. What it does is it enables the administrators of Windows Server to manage distribution of updates and hotfixes released by Microsoft products to the computers. You will have a doubt of what these updates and hotfixes are. You all know what update is. It is a modifying of a software program. For example, you update your smartphones, you update your laptops, you update your computers. It's the similar way to updating a Windows Server. Hotfixes are a package that includes all information. These informations are usually one or more than one files and are used to address a problem in a software product. Hotfix is applied to a software patches that is applied to a hot system. A hot system are live currently running system which are in production states rather than in development state. Coming back to Windows Server Update Services, what it does is it downloads these updates and hotfixes from the website and distributes it to the computers and network. Windows Server Update Services runs on Windows Server only and is licensed to all Microsoft customers and are free. In June 2005, Windows released the WSUS, that is Windows Server Update Services, which is a successor of the SUS. WSUS has an improved features or compared to the SUS files like patch delivery, status reporting, network usage and implementation, administration. Here, as you can see, are the 10 important features of the WSUS. We will discuss in detail of each of these features of WSUS. First feature, updates more than just Windows. As the predecessor of WSUS, the SUS was able to keep Windows 2000 or later, Windows XP Professional and Windows 2003 with updates. The WSUS manages the update for more than Microsoft products. So basically what WSUS is, it releases all the Microsoft products and not just the Windows that the SUS was doing. The second feature is the WSUS client and server system. On the client side, the Windows 2003, SP3 Plus, Windows XP and Windows Server 2003. In the server side, Windows runs WSUS components run on Windows 2000 SP4 or Windows Server 2003. It also requires .NET Framework of 1.1 SP1 and also Background Intelligence Services 2.0 with HTTP 5.1. It also requires in the hardware side of 1 GHz of faster processor and a 1 GB of RAM, which is very important. It also requires 3 GHz of faster processor and 1 GB of RAM, dual processors with 1 GB of RAM. Microsoft System Management Server SMS versus Windows Server Update Services. What Windows Server Update Services lacks SMS ability to deploy and manage system beyond touching. Microsoft SMS can perform inventory management, advanced reporting and remote system administration. In the next slide, we'll discuss of what the other 4 important features of Windows Server Update Services are.